Whether you're looking for added security or a fun way to impress your guests, having a secret space for your belongings or yourself can make your home more interesting and enjoyable. In this video, let's explore some clever hidden rooms and secret furniture ideas that will amaze you. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tap the bell button so you won't miss any of our videos. First up is a range of secret doors by the American company Creative Home Engineering. They are well known for their excellent engineering and advanced security systems, designing custom hidden doors and passageways tailored to each client's needs. These doors aren't just about security, but also add an element of mystery and fun to a home. They can create various hidden spaces, from disguised bookcases and staircases to vault doors. What makes them truly special is how the doors are opened. Some work like regular doors, but blend in so well that they're nearly invisible. In contrast, others require more creativity, such as shifting a statue, pressing a hidden button, or using a special remote control. This company has crafted secret entrances for everything from private safes and panic rooms to entire hidden wings of luxury homes, making each design secure and exciting. Next is an ordinary-looking side table packed with secret compartments. You might be surprised by how many extra drawers it has and the amount of weapons it can conceal. Behind the main drawers, there are hidden spaces, plus a large drawer at the bottom and one on each side. In one corner, there's a small drawer for knives, and another compartment drops down from the top. A larger knife drawer and a removable panel on top reveal a hidden storage area. Having plenty of hiding spots is useful for someone who lives this kind of lifestyle. Here's a smart idea to help keep your family safe and avoid injuries. Hidden stairs that are part of the floor until you press a button. When activated, the basement opens up, and a guardrail comes up to prevent anyone from falling in. The steps then slide down into place and lock securely, ready for use. This is a much safer option than a permanent staircase in your kitchen, which can be dangerous for kids and those who are a bit clumsy. Plus, it would create a fun entrance to a game room if you're fortunate enough to have one. Sometimes, it's nice to keep things hidden from view. If you find bulky appliances like a washing machine a hassle, you'll probably enjoy this next design from Studio Moby Dick. Behind wooden panels lies the washing machine, which can make a room look messy. Having the option to conceal it when it's not being used is definitely a great benefit. Making the most of the space under the stairs is a great idea, and this hidden closet designed by Matt Reisinger is a perfect example of how to do it stylishly. While it might not be completely concealed once noticed, the closet blends in well and helps clear up much space in the hallway. The computer desk in the alcove beside it is also a smart feature, providing a tidy workspace that remains organized. A common area for hiding items is the bedroom, but instead of stashing them under the bed, why not use your headboard for storage? It's an unexpected place where people are unlikely to look. You can safely keep toys, firearms, or valuables out of reach with various locking options. The main section of the headboard can be opened with a remote control, while the center's side cabinets and extra compartments can be accessed manually and locked using a keypad or RFID system. Next, there's an elaborate desk and armchair that look like they belong to royalty. A king or queen would definitely have many things they'd want to keep private. Fortunately, this stunning Italian furniture is designed for that, with multiple concealed compartments for hiding important papers, valuable items, and trinkets. Inside the drawers are even more secret spots, and by pushing or pulling in specific areas, you can uncover different hidden spaces. The craftsmanship is impressive, similar to those challenging puzzle boxes that are nearly impossible to figure out. This furniture has so many layers of secrets that keeping track of them all would be quite a challenge. Even if a burglar had the blueprints, finding everything would still take a long time. The chair has surprising places for storage, and the hidden centerpiece of the desk is remarkable. Do you sometimes long for a quiet place to unwind and enjoy a game or a movie? The answer could be to create a secret cinema room similar to the one designed by Appa Home Renovations. With just a push of the right ornament, this hidden space opens up, inviting you to a fantastic viewing experience. While this luxury may be hard for many adults to afford these days, it's definitely worth saving up for. Plus, this room even has a ceiling resembling a starry sky. Every home might lack the space for an understairs cabinet, but with some clever thinking, it's still possible to make the most of that area. The UK company Smart Space Stair Storage is helping homeowners reclaim the space under their stairs with a smart design. Just imagine how much storage you could have. You could keep luggage, shoes, pet items, or anything else that might clutter your hallway. You could even joke about having friends stay there to lend a hand when you need supplies. The main takeaway is that this space should be used, especially in smaller homes. This next hidden door is cleverly disguised within the brickwork. It would be easy to forget its location, even for someone living there, which could lead to funny situations when friends see someone trying to push on the wall without success while claiming a secret hideaway. Perhaps it's best to keep that secret to oneself. Here's a motorized version of under-the-stairs storage designed by David Molyneux. It works like the previous system but offers easier access with the push of a button, allowing both hands to be free for loading or unloading large items. Just be sure to watch your head while using it. After learning about hidden compartments, staying at a hotel might feel different. One could start to think about whether pressing a button on every mirror or tile would uncover a secret space behind them. These compartments, created by Maxim Nikolaevich, are useful for concealing unsightly pipes or areas needing access later. Still, it's hard not to wonder if someone could use this clever design for more questionable purposes. It's a bit unnerving to think about. Making a pantry look good can be tough, but it's not an issue if it can be hidden away. The owners of this home cleverly designed their spacious pantry to blend in with the kitchen, so it appears to be an ordinary part of the area. You know those thrilling moments in action films when a villain's secret plans appear from the floor? Wouldn't having a pool table rise instead be much more fun? This homeowner had the same idea, and the table looks fantastic. Just think about how annoying it would be to accidentally lower the table during a game, especially if someone is ahead. What's going on beneath the floorboards? In small homes, every inch counts, and that often means utilizing the space under the floor for storage. There's actually a surprising amount of room down there, making it an ideal spot to keep various items out of sight. Lastly, check out these movable sliding walls by Klein USA. They are reminiscent of the sliding partitions commonly found in Japanese homes and can be used to conceal or open up spaces in the house. This design provides a nice change from being surrounded by the same four walls all day. Which of these clever inventions did you like the most? Let us know in the comments. If you found the video enjoyable, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification button to stay updated on the latest.